Tucker Torpedo, 1948. As America emerged from the shadows of World War II, the automotive industry was poised for a new era. Demand for cars was soaring, but the big three automakers in Detroit were largely churning out slightly updated pre-war designs. Yet, amidst this predictable landscape, a radical new vision emerged from a man named Preston Tucker. His dream wasn't just to build another car. It was to build the car of the future, a vehicle brimming with safety, innovation, and daring design. This dream took the form of the Tucker 48 Torpedo, a car that, despite its minuscule production numbers, would forever etch itself into the annals of American automotive history as one of its greatest what-if stories. Preston Tucker was a man ahead of his time, and his torpedo was a testament to his visionary thinking. He didn't just tweak existing ideas, he introduced groundbreaking innovations that would become standard decades later. Imagine in 1948, a car boasting a pop-out windshield designed to prevent injury in a collision. This was unheard of. He also pioneered a rear-engine design, which offered superior traction and a quieter cabin, a concept still embraced by high-performance vehicles today. Beyond these, the Tucker 48 was packed with safety-focused features: a padded dashboard, a centrally mounted cyclops headlight that turned with the steering wheel to illuminate corners, and a reinforced perimeter frame. Tucker prioritized passenger safety and comfort in an era when such concerns were often secondary. He was building not just a car, but a sanctuary on wheels, anticipating the demands of future consumers with remarkable foresight. Such radical innovation, however, proved to be a double-edged sword. Preston Tucker's audacious vision and his revolutionary car were perceived as a direct threat by the powerful, entrenched forces in Detroit. The big three, Ford, General Motors, and Chrysler, dominated the market, and a nimble newcomer with a truly groundbreaking product represented a serious challenge to their established order and control. Whisper campaigns, legal battles, and accusations of fraud, many of which are now widely believed to have been politically motivated and unfounded, began to dog Tucker and his company. The weight of monopolistic power, combined with immense financial pressure and a hostile press, started to crush his dream. It was a David and Goliath struggle, but in this case, Goliath proved too formidable. Tragically, despite its initial promise and incredible advancements, only 51 units of the Tucker 48 Torpedo were ever made before the company was forced to shut down amidst controversy and legal battles. Its production life was agonizingly short, a mere flicker in automotive history. Yet, this brevity only served to amplify its legend. The Tucker 48 wasn't just a car. It became a powerful symbol of innovation stifled by monopolistic power. Cautionary tale of what can happen when groundbreaking ideas challenge the status quo. It embodied the independent spirit, the inventive genius, and the tragic vulnerability of a lone visionary against an industrial juggernaut. Today, owning a Tucker 48 is far more than just possessing a rare automobile. It means owning a piece of a deeply compelling American story, a narrative of ambition, brilliance, corporate intrigue, and heartbreaking defeat. Each of the surviving cars carries with it the weight of that legacy, making it one of the most coveted and historically significant collector's items in the world. If you own a Tucker, you don't just own a car, you own a story. A timeless reminder of what might have been, and the enduring power of a dream that, though cut short, refused to be forgotten.